everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Scrub Daddy FAQs. Today, I got it, I'm the laddie with the caddy. And in this episode, we're diving into 2 kitchen essentials that will change your dishwashing game forever. Say hello to the ultimate sponge sidekicks, the Daddy Caddy and the Sponge Caddy. And you're probably asking, what is the difference, Christopher, between the 2 caddies? Well, let me break it down for you. But before we get into the nitty-gritty about the caddies, make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications so that you're the first to know about a brand new Scrub Daddy video. So these gems are not just sponge holders, they're sponge superheroes. Let's break down what makes Sponge Caddy and Daddy Caddy the best places for your beloved sponges. In essence, the Daddy Caddy is specifically tailored for those popular Scrub Daddy and Scrub Mommy sponges. It focuses on providing a snug fit and promoting easy drying, so your sponges are always ready to go. On the other hand, the Sponge Caddy, this one offers a broader range, accommodating multiple sponge types. It's perfect for those of you who like to mix things up and have different cleaning tools at your disposal. Now, let's talk about the Sponge Caddy's open design. It has an open bottom, along with the holes on the sides to aerate the sponges as it dries. So are you worried about the caddies slipping and sliding? No need. With 2 super strong suction cups, Sponge Caddy and Daddy Caddy stick like a champ to most smooth surfaces. Just press and you're good to go. Now sometimes when you take off the Sponge Caddy or the Daddy Caddy, the suction cups remain. Don't worry about that. You just pull the suction cups off, put them back in the eye holes, and you're good to go. And check this out. Sponge Caddy can fit one Scrub Daddy or Scrub Mommy perfectly. But wait, there's more. You can also squeeze in some other Scrub Daddy products if you want a full sponge party. So whether it's your shiny sink or your slick countertop, Daddy Caddy's got your back. Now, you might be wondering, how do you choose between the 2? Here's my secret. It all depends on your cleaning style. If you're a no fuss, get it done kind of person, Daddy Caddy is your go-to. But if you love versatility and want to keep your options open, Sponge Caddy is calling your name. So why not grab both? Mix and match them on your kitchen sink or even in the bathroom, and you'll always be ready for whatever mess comes your way. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your favorite caddy and why? Remember, a clean kitchen is a happy kitchen. Thanks for joining me today. Until next time, happy cleaning and clean with a smile. With Tooper. Ready? Okay. Are you kidding me? That just stuck. Are you kidding me? Gosh darn it.